Today we're going to import, square up, and scale a survey in Structure Studios. So sometimes when we get a survey, it's going to be at an angle like this. So we never want to design like this. We always want to square it up. So this is my method, the way that I do it, and how I start off every design that I do in Structure Studios. So in the House tab, I'll invert my colors so I can see my lines. Using the L shortcut key for relative angle, I'll draw two lines and intersect and make a 90-degree angle. I'll turn my relative angle off with the K shortcut key, and using the W shortcut key to rotate, fit your survey into the guidelines that you just made for the nice 90 degrees so we know our survey is nice and squared. So once we have it squared up, I usually adjust my survey back to the center of the grid, delete my guidelines as I no longer need them, and move on to scale. So when I scale, I usually try to select a measurement between 20 and 25 feet for best accuracy, and I'll get right into the center of the survey lines because I just found it's just better accuracy that way. So once I get it scaled, I start tracing my foundation for my first layer of the model as a base point. So that's the way that I do it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's always best to work on a nice square grid instead of at an angle. So would love to hear your methods and how you do things, so be sure you comment below. Looking forward to it.